In 2021, CLAAS installed state-of-the-art cutting-edge combine harvester production at its headquarters in Hazewinkel. 15,000 square meters of hall construction from the 1950s were dismantled within just 22 weeks, and a new state-of-the-art assembly hall that is up to 15 meters high was erected and set up in its place. Where combine harvesters were previously produced on 2 assembly lines, today there is a main line with sub-assembly lines feeding into it from both sides for pre-assembly of the TRION and LEXION modules. For a variety of models unparalleled worldwide.
With
SimPro 2020, CLAAS implemented a very significant investment in Hazewinkel. In many areas, we have set new precedents for the coming decades, such as new assembly halls, etc., and throughout, creating ergonomic workplaces with digital processes, and many other improvements for the future. We produce first-class quality here without compromise. We assemble the LEXION and the TRION in a total of more than 30 different models. These 2 model ranges are modular in design, so that we can meet any customer requirement worldwide.
But what about me?
Yes, we have to come up with something. But another word about the factory. For you, how we shape the future is important. The new assembly hall now saves 500 tons of CO2 every year because it is so well insulated. Our combine harvesters require very little fuel because they are incredibly efficient. And that's important for your future. So look, we also found the right combine harvester for you.
Cool.
Designed specifically for you, a CLAAS combine harvester, a CLAAS TRION. Now tell me where the cab is.
Right here.
Yes, exactly. Correct. Great. And you know what? When you're 20 years older, we will build a full-size